Gemini, as you know, has three critical capabilities. Firstly, it is natively multimodal. It has state-of-the-art reasoning capabilities, and then it is trained on highly optimized infrastructure. And then on top of all of this, it comes with Google's responsible and security features as well. So these three features makes it a very potent combination for any modern day organizations. In terms of how Gemini can help us, we have been witnessing a lot of conversations where organizations are able to reimagine a lot of their current processes, right from hiring of an employee to onboarding them, training them, and then kind of allocating them to projects, helping them with validating the architectures, generating code, and so on. So the use case of Gemini, which is a natively trained multi model, is quite ubiquitous and across the board organizations, right from stock markets or financial advisors or IT companies or SaaS-based companies, there I don't think there is a company which will not feel the use of Gemini in its ecosystem. So Gemini is going to influence a lot of organizations in that space. I think one common feedback that we have been hearing from the practitioners during and post the session is, how do I tune Gemini models? How do I ensure that the model is able to give responses in line with, say, my organization ethos or requirements? So I think ability to tune some of these models and give responses which are in line with expectations, I think that will be one of the key kind of thing that we may have to kind of see from a product perspective. From a trends, from how the things will evolve, so far you had to have different types of models for different use cases. Through Gemini, I believe there will be a cross section of these happening where you will see Gemini as a Swiss knife kind of being used quite broadly, and people kind of don't have to kind of switch in and hop on and hop in across different types of models. So in terms of optimization, in terms of being able to do more with less, I think that is how Gemini will start influencing with its multimodal capabilities.